Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you an application that's been updated, new update, new way of doing things. One of my favorite long-time applications for free movies and TV shows, and a lot of content, links in 4K definition, 1080p, a lot of stuff works. The process has changed. The new update is a little bit different. I'm going to show you this application, but not only are you going to find out how to get this application, I'm going to show you how to get full access to the onlink store where you can get about 50 to 60 other applications that work in a similar way and give you so much content for pay-per-views, movies, TV shows, live TV, and all that. So I want to show you this app. I want to show you how good it is. It's a great application. I'm going to show you step by step how to install it and also get access to my fully loaded store. So I got my Firestick booted up here. So the steps you need to take are simply go to the settings, the gear icon right there. And once you're there, go to My Fire TV or My Device. Click there. Once you're there, if you're doing this for the first time, you will not see developer options. You might see something like that, and that's great. That's what it means. We need to go to the next step if you don't have developer options. Click on About, and you'll see your device name, okay? Click on your device name about 8 times. It might say something like Fire TV Stick Lite, 4K, 4K Max, whatever you're using, click 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need. You're already a developer. But if you're doing this for the first time or at home or you haven't done this yet, it'll say now you are a developer. So when you click back, you'll see that you have developer options. If you click once back, okay? So now we've done that step. Let's click 5 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That will drive us to the main menu. Now the next step for this application, you should go to Find and go to Search. Click into the search box. You can use the Alexa remote, the blue button here on the remote, or you can type it in. Downloader. The application you want to search for is called Downloader. Orange white icon that looks like this. You're going to click on that icon. A screen's going to come up. It's going to look like this. 669,000 reviews, 4 stars. You're going to press the download button. That's going to start pushing the downloader application onto your Fire Stick. So it's going to start downloading it. It's going to install it, but we don't want to open it up yet. There's a couple of steps we got to do to get this all set up working good, okay? So when that notification pops up here and says installed successfully, you just want to hit the home button, okay? Now, the next very important step, you'll see that it is installed here. You'll go to the settings, okay? Once you're in settings, go to My Fire TV or My Device, click in there. Go to developer options, click in there. Click in Install Unknown Apps and make sure you turn the downloader to the on position just like that. Once you do that, we're going to click 5 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, the next vital step we have to take for this to work and for the unlinked store and all that to work in conjunction, we have to go to Find, go to Search, and in here type in the following application name. Just follow along. And you want to type in IP Vanish, just like I'm typing it here on my screen. And I'll explain everything in detail in a minute. So we'll type in IP Vanish just like that. Once you do that, hit the search button. It's going to come up a black, gray, white, green icon, just like this icon here. 94,000 reviews, 4 stars. You're going to click on that and you're going to select the download button. This is going to queue and install the IP Vanish VPN. Now, once it installs, you're going to be prompted to log in with your own username and password, okay? So the reason for a VPN is that we're going to be able to get inside of the unlinked store, get all the newest updates, get all the newest versions of the applications, also get links that are blocked by our internet service provider, because internet service providers have been blocking links to the specific content, also to sports, pay-per-views, movie, TV shows, and also for accessing the unlinked application. All that stuff has been blocked by majority of the internet service providers. So if you install IP Vanish and you open it up, you'll be prompted to log in with your username and password. Now, I'm going to set this up on my Fire Stick to work with that app. It works with all the other apps, but for full transparency, you're going to need to get your own account. And just to be fully transparent, it's about $2 a month, $2.16 right now a month through this affiliate link that I created for my subscribers only. So all you have to do, you can pause the video if you need to, scan this barcode with your iPhone, or with your Android phone, or go to this bit.ly link here on the screen. Also in the pinned comment description is a clickable link. You can do this on your phone, or you can do this on a computer, whatever is easier for you. Once you get to the landing page, for that specific landing page here, you'll get that big discount. It's less than a latte at Starbucks. It's less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks, or even Dunkin' Donuts these days. It's $2 a month, and $2 something a month and change for unlimited access to IPVanish. It'll give you full access to the applications, unlock everything that you have for sports, movies, and TV shows, and give you access to a third-party store, full access to get all the updates and all the applications that are updated weekly with the newest updates for the apps, and everything works flawlessly in that store. It has been vetted, okay? So pause the video if you need to take care of this to get this to set up Unlinked, and this will keep you protected, keep you safe. And you can use one account for unlimited devices. So this will, one account, one email, and password will work on unlimited Firesticks. You can have it on the phone, on the Android tablet, on an iPad, on a computer. This works all across the board, one account. So once you scan this barcode, this bit.ly link, you'll go to the landing page, select that package, specific package, a few dollars a month. They're going to send you an email confirmation once you sign up with your email and create a password. You'll confirm your account in your email, and you'll be ready to log on. I'm going to log into mine, and I'll show you the other steps that we need to take to set this up for Unlinked and all our other applications, and for our specific, really amazing application for movies and TV shows, okay? Better than Netflix and better than Kodi, okay? So I'm going to log into mine. If you need to pause the video, take care of that, and then continue with me together. Okay, here I am logged into the VPN. When you log in, it will look exactly the same when you get your account through this link here or through this barcode. Okay, you'll go to settings, and the first thing you have to do is say connect on Android startup. Flick it to the on position. We're going to click one back. We're going to go to location, click on that location button. And in countries, we're going to scroll all the way to the United States. It doesn't matter which part of the world you're in. You're always going to make sure you choose the United States. So here I am. Let's choose the United States and say favorite United States. And then you'll put a yellow star, click on it again, and we're going to say connect to United States. Let's click on that again. That's going to come up with this menu. We're going to press the OK button, and the screen is going to flicker, and we should be fully protected and connected to our US VPN server. There we are. Okay. Now you're going to hit the home button once you're done that. And we can now proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening the downloader application by clicking on it that we did in the first step. Once we do that, we're going to press the OK button. Click one up here, yellow field like that, highlight it, and type in the following URL, just exactly like you see it. Unlinked, just like that, .link. Let's type that in, just like that. Okay. Once you type in unlink.link, you're going to press that go button right there. Now what's going to happen is going to say connecting, and you'll see I can move the cursor around up and down, left to right. Okay. I'm going to move it down until I see download APK Android, just like that. We're going to click on that, download APK Android. A pop-up is going to pop up, and it's going to start downloading the Unlinked application. Once it's downloaded, you're going to see something like this. We're going to press the install button on the unlink.link file that it's installing. And once it installs, we have an option to open and done. We're going to press the done. Let's press the done because there's one last step. Delete and delete to delete the installation files. Okay, now once you're done that, press the home button, and you'll see that Unlinked is here. Now it's going to pop up any minute, but we're not going to open. We're going to go to settings. And from settings, we're going to go to My Fire or My Device, My Fire TV or My Device. Developer options, install unknown apps, and turn the unlinked to the on position, just like we turned the downloader to the on position, okay? Once you do that, you're simply just going to press the home button, okay? And we're going to open up the unlinked application with our VPN being on. It's going to come up with a menu like this. So we're going to press the new library here, click inside of this blinking field, and put in the following code, lowercase. If the code does not work and you get a socket error or any other errors, it means that your VPN might be disconnected or might be off. So this will work when your VPN IPVanish specifically is on. Firestick lowercase, you're going to press the next button, and it's going to come up with the screen. Very important. I would take a picture of the screen, because not only I'm going to tell you how to install our great application today, but this will always give you an updated list every week, every month, to show you which are the best applications and which ones are working at this time. Take a picture of this, and this will help you a lot, okay? Now, when you're done that, you'll have an opportunity to press the enter button to enter the store. If you don't see an enter button after taking a picture of the best apps here, which is blurred out on the screen right here, you can simply just hit the back button, and you can go right back inside of Unlinked by clicking on the Unlinked application. Again, this will throw you this time right into the Unlinked application. You'll see a little thing here. Click on this New Tech Apps with a folder. Click on that section. Just click on it. This will pop up all the apps. Now, I want you to scroll down, and for today's application, we're going to scroll down to movies and TV show apps, and we're going to go straight to Film Plus. Okay, this is a new update, new version, and this one works with a Bear Player, so not B Player now. They switched it over to Bear Player. Not many people have Bear Player yet. Not many people know how to set this up, and not many people are explaining how to use this. But on the New Tech channel, of course, I help you guys out, and I have special little notes next to the application telling you which exact player to download to make that content play. Don't forget, you can scroll left to right, up and down to get all those applications that work similarly like Film Plus, are just as good. In some people's opinion, some apps might be better, but this one's really good. You're gonna get 4K, 1080p links, and you're gonna get a lot of stuff that you can't even find on Netflix and Kodi. All the newest releases, it's all going to be there. When this pops up, you're just gonna hit Install App, and that's going to pop up with an installation menu. You're going to press the install button, and that's going to install the Film Plus application. Okay, now we're going to scroll up to the media players once we install that. So we're going to scroll up to media players, and the one we need for Film Plus is called Bear Players under media players. So let's do the Bear Player with the bear paw in the middle of the player. And that's going to make it work with Film Plus really good. So don't forget, you can scroll up and down, left to right to get more applications for live TV, movies and TV shows, pay-per-views. All those applications are there. I have all the categories for you. Just scroll up and down, left to right to get any other applications, and you can see how quickly I'm installing them. So you can press Install App. It's the same process. You would press the install. Screen would flicker and would be installed. So Film Plus works amazingly well with Bear Player. Okay, you're gonna get 1080p links and all that stuff. So hit home once you're done that. And you'll notice that now I have Film Plus here, and I also have Bear Player, which will work great. You'll get a lot of 4K links, 1080p, amazing application, works very, very well. One of the best ones with this Bear Player update. I think it works tremendously great. And of course, you guys keep asking me why I keep making new videos. Well, because there's updates, there's things happening, and I want you guys to stay on top, and I want to make sure that all this stuff is always working for you, okay? So that's that. When you open up Film Plus, you can go to settings, and in the settings, make sure you select Bear Player for media player or playback application. You select Bear Player on the list, which is on the list, and then Film Plus will load all your movies, TV shows, and you can enjoy a lot of content. So just want to show you throughout this process, my VPN was connected. You can see we've been connected for 6 minutes. If you want the updates for the applications, if you want the 4K links, if you want all that content to work, make sure you get a VPN. You'll stay anonymous when streaming. You'll stay fully protected. You'll get those links that are being blocked by an internet service provider. It's a latte at Starbucks per month. It's $2 per month. It's actually less than a coffee at Starbucks. So you can scan that barcode right here, or go to this bit.ly link here, also pinned comment description. That's going to get you set up, and that's going to get you going with many applications. Film Plus is just one example, but there's many others, okay? So that's installed, and that works very well. So just one thing, a lot of people have been knocking off my content from my Unlinked store. I might be putting a 4-digit PIN lock on my store that you will need to get in. I haven't done it yet, but if I do, I ask you for 2 things. I don't ask for money, donations, any of that. Just drop a comment below this video. That's all I ask for. All you have to say is, where are you from? What city and town? What's your name maybe? Or just a simple hi. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite sports team? It doesn't matter what you say, because below this comment, if I do ever put a pin lock, I will reply with the pin lock right below this video in the comments section, okay? Also, follow me on X. I would appreciate it. The X link is in the description. I always post stuff on X. You're going to stay updated. You're going to stay, have all the newest stuff. So that is going to take care of that. So follow me on X as well. Share my video if you're feeling brave, and like the video. I would highly appreciate it. Those are the only things I ask for. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support, and let me know which other apps you're enjoying. This is just one example. And remember, when you have your VPN on, you can go into the onlink store at any time to get new updates, to get new apps. It's always available for you. You'll be able to get that there. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.